Hi everyone, I'm Smitha and I'm excited to have you in my home today. I live here in New York, right by the Hudson. And while I love going to all of the great restaurants that New York has to offer, lately I've been spending a lot of time at home and right here in my kitchen. Today I'm gonna help you make chicken 65. So this isn't just one of the tastiest dishes that I make, but it also holds a really special place in my heart. That's because it's all the way from Chennai, India, where both of my parents grew up and met. So let's get started. First we need, what else? The chicken, chopped into pieces. Now here's an insider tip. If you poke holes in the chicken, it'll really absorb the flavor. Followed by salt, and where there's salt, there's usually pepper, red Kashmiri powder, coriander powder, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, and yogurt. The Desi one is my favorite. Next, let's mix all these sauce ingredients together. I really love that red color. You can even add more red food coloring if you want to give it that really rich color. So now you're gonna set this aside for 60 minutes when you finish up stirring, and then we're gonna come right back to this. So the next part here is to coat the chicken. And I really like to use both rice flour as well as corn flour because it really gives it the nice texture. So I'm really excited to use this. This is my new fancy wok. Now I've heated up the vegetable oil, so the next step is putting the chicken in. And I'm just adding the chicken, and you'll notice that you can already start to smell this. It smells so delicious. So now that you can see it's ready, I like to put it on a paper towel just to really absorb that oil. So now I carefully got rid of the frying oil and added fresh vegetable oil here to the pan. Now I'm gonna put in some garlic. You just wanna add this in for a few seconds. You can smell that, it already smells great. And then I'm gonna throw in the curry leaves, as well as the green chilies. Let's throw it all in. I'm gonna turn down my heat, as you can see, it's pretty high. So we're gonna throw everything in here. Okay, and then I'm gonna add my chicken back in. Stir this here just for a little bit. Now I'm gonna add just a little bit more black pepper. I feel like black pepper goes well on almost everything, so we'll just add a little bit more here. And here's your finished product. Thanks so much for watching.